Hey everybody, welcome to Chiro World. I'm Dr. Koca, otherwise known as Chiro Man, part of Chiro World and Koca Chiropractic Clinic. Today we're going to talk about ear infections. Now, first of all, before we go any further with ear infections and I go any further, what I really want you to go and check out is the Wyatt Lehman Foundation. And watch that and then tell me if you think that giving antibiotics to a child with an ear infection is a good idea. After you watch that, and my recommendation is have a box of Kleenexes with you. I also recommend donate to the Wyatt Lehman Foundation. So ear infections are this. If you've ever had a child that's had ear infections, and I have, when our daughter was growing up, and I've taken care of tons of them over my 20 plus years here in Omaha, it's by far one of the most miserable things to see your child suffer with. The other side of the model is to give antibiotics, but what we're doing with it, if you follow our series of videos, is all we're doing is covering up what really is a symptom. We're not actually addressing the cause, because you live your life through your nerve system. Every human experience you have is through your nerve system. So if all you're doing is giving antibiotic, you're not addressing the cause. What happens in the children that we see, one of the primary areas is these upper vertebrae in here. What they'll do to the stressors of birth or falls or sleeping is they'll subluxate, which means that's that vertebra misaligns. When that happens, there's two situations that occur. We have the mechanical issue that changes the structure and the drainage of the fluids, and we have the tonal or the neurological issue, where we're changing the tone of the muscles there and they don't allow the canal to work properly due to the tightening of it, and the neurological. Plus, on top of that, there's been an enormous amount of clinical studies to show and field experience to show that when you get adjusted, your immune system is boosted. So instead of dumping drugs into that pure little body, get their nerve system checked on a regular basis and get them adjusted. Check us out right up top.